Hello, this is a recording of our fourth semester project from university. In this project, we had to create a language, either an interpreter or compiler, um, and we made something quite interesting. So we made something called HES, which is a language for generating chess-based games and customizing them with different pieces, your own homemade pieces, the board size, and stuff like this. Um, so one of our files could look something like this one. Basically, we have how big is the board, what are the pieces, and we have certain keywords and integers to define how can a specific piece move. So, for example, this pawn-ish can move up the board, but can only attack upright and up left, similarly to the pawn we know from regular chess. Uh, there are some limitations to this engine we built for this, and there are no special moves like en passant and double move for a pawn. Um, Once you've created your pieces, you can place them. We made you able to save it for or in a variable, and then define each player down here with the variables. You could also take this, of course, and put it directly inside, but yeah, and then starting the game. So let's see what this looks like. So we get the age by 10 board, or age is defined as 8, right, alphabetically. Um, so we can start making moves. I have some prepared here. Basically, this is not a valid move to e4 because again the pawn can double move as I mentioned earlier. Instead we'll go e3. As you can see, it keeps swapping turns here, and once I make the next move, it should be a checkmate. And we did win by checkmate. The program then terminates, and here's a completely different board and setup. So here we only have d5, so that would be a 4x5 board. We only have three pieces, the queen, the knight, and the king. Um, and we're placing them on these squares. Uh, yeah, let's try to see what this looks like. So now we have something completely different, right? We try to do this. And now the enemy king is in check. We can block the check with the knight move here. Now it's in check again. And to showcase this, we can also do like this. Going to a4 over here doesn't work because it would be in check. Going to c4 over here wouldn't work. b4 wouldn't work either. We can showcase that too, right? Uh, but the king can get out with c5. And then we put it in check again. The king moves out of the check again. And d1 is down here, so it's not on the path of the queen. So you'll see here, it's not a valid move for the queen. Instead, we can do like this, and we have won by checkmate. So our language is basically letting us make custom chess games and custom chess pieces. I know I only showcased pretty much the same pieces as we see them, but it was a fun project to make, and it's made in Antler and C#